Welcome to the First Use Electric Range. This is a quick start guide for your electric range.
Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
First, locate your model and serial number on the range. This is how you'll pull up information on your specific unit. Ceramic cooktops are one type of electric cooktop. This style houses metal coils beneath a smooth ceramic glass surface on which you place cookware. A coil electric cooktop has exposed metal coils that come into direct contact with cookware. A conventional oven. These ovens have two separate heating elements, the first located on the bottom or floor of the oven, and another one on the top part of the oven cavity. These two elements transfer heat to cook the food. The broil element is typically found at the top of the oven cavity and provides direct heat to the top of food for broiling. Your oven's bake element, located at the bottom of the oven, is the main heat source for most oven functions. Some products have what's called a hidden bake element, which means the element sits underneath the floor of the oven cavity to make it easier to clean. If your model has convection ovens, on the other hand, have a fan in the back of the oven and a system that circulates hot air around the food that is baking or roasting. This allows for better browning and crisping, as it transfers heat more effectively. The oven rack holds cookware and bakeware inside the oven and can be moved up or down prior to cooking. Depending on what kind of oven you're using and what you're cooking, you'll want your oven rack placements to be useful for what you're trying to make. When using a convection oven, you'll want to use the lower rack for baking and roasting, while the top rack should be used for broiling. If you're using an electric oven, you'll want your rack to be positioned in the center unless otherwise stated in a recipe. Using your oven. First, select Oven Function. Set the temperature. Press Start. Place the food inside the oven once set temperature is reached. Close the oven door. Preheating your oven is a crucial part of achieving a great cooked meal. Food needs the continuous heat to cook evenly and thoroughly, and preheating your oven can prevent overcooking or undercooking. Before cleaning, make sure the oven cavity and cooktop are cool. To clean your oven, use a rag or dishcloth and clean your oven by wiping the interior and exterior of the appliance down using common household materials like baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice. To wash the racks, remove them from the oven cavity. Simply soak in soapy water before giving them a good scrub with a stiff bristled cleaning brush. Use soft cloth towels to completely dry the racks and avoid rust or corrosion. Be aware of a small amount of smoke or odor can be normal, especially the first time a new range or oven is used. It is caused by the heating of new parts, insulating materials, and a protective coating of oil that is used in the manufacturing process and should dissipate after the first few uses. No foil in the bottom of the oven. Using high heat with aluminum foil in the oven bottom could cause the foil to melt, permanently damaging your appliance. Also, make sure to have clean bottoms on pots and pans. Thank you for watching this video. For any questions or service issues, please visit the brand website for service and support.